What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Japan. I know behind me it looks like you're seeing double vision, but today's video, this car is much different than mine. Even though it's white with black wing and dark wheels and kind of similar, similar mods. However, this car is a monster. Let's check it out. If you guys haven't ordered one of your shirts, you got to check it out. I'll put the link in the description. With discount code Godzilla, get 20% off. I mean, it's gonna be like 22 bucks. Support the channel, appreciate it. So most of you guys know this is my car. This is my buddy Jay's. Also QM1 white, 1995 R33 Gtr V-Spec. Let's see where his sticker used to be. So Jay had some issues a while back. Blew the motor. Actually blew, what happened was blew his turbos. Some ceramic dust went back into the intake. Cracked the block, destroyed the head, all kinds of stuff. So he took it to In Factory, which used to be known as Speed Factory out here, the GTR gurus, and had this car completely built. And so this is a new Nismo N1 bottom end here bought straight brand new from Nissan. Bored over to a 2.7 liter with a big, huge Borg Warner on about, you said what, 28 pounds?
Right now I'm running off wastegate pressure. We're sitting at 21 PSI.
So 21 pounds now.
The plan is 30.
The plan is 30. Wait till you see this thing. Oh my gosh. I know a couple of you guys have commented about this engine. Sonny, I know you said you wanted this paint code. What was the color on this called?
Actually, I just sent Nori a picture and Demaru matched it.
Okay.
So they color matched.
So it's just a custom color.
Yep.
I'm sure you could do a similar thing, But check out that gigantic Borg Warner, a bunch of X's and numbers. And
so that is a Borg Warner SXE 369, 69 millimeter.
Jesus. So basically a stock turbo is what you're telling me.
Yeah.
I like
came like that.
Yeah. I like the intake manifold painted the same as the head or as the valve covers.
Yeah, the plan is to black everything out, the turbo, the strut bars, all the lines, and have just the intake and valve cover green.
Oh, that'd be nice. Got a PRP trigger kit on there. What cams you running?
So they are, well, bottom end. So the bottom end, they are Manley Turbo Tough Pistons, and then I have upgraded wrist pins. So they are the Carrillo wrist pins. And then I have BC, so Brian Crowder rods, they're H-beams. Tomei head gasket, ARP, everything. That is, again, bored out to 86.5. The bottom end, the crank is actually an Eagle crank, so it's a 77.7. It's a billet crank, and it's a knife edge, so it's a lightweight crank. And even Nori was like, I've never seen one like this before, so.
Well, he
kind of excited.
It's probably pretty new.
And then the head was all done up in Tokyo. Naprick did the high response kit.
Oh, okay.
Bored it out. I'm running 272, 1025 Tomei cams.
It has a nice little lobe to it.
Yeah, Tomei the timing gears, the Tomei gears. And then it has the SuperTech dual valve springs, titanium retainers, pretty much the whole 9 yards.
Heck yeah.
Tomei solid lifters. Hopefully I can get about 9,000 RPM out of it.
So we're gonna call this a budget build then?
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess essentially if you're budgeting for a house?
Yeah. This was not part of the plan. The plan was to do it in phases, but again, I opened the motor up and I had ceramic all inside my block, all inside the head, so.
Yeah.
Kind of forced my hand.
Yeah, I remember that was a sad day. But let's check out the exterior of the car real fast. We kind of jumped into the meat and potatoes there. There's your Volino 18 by 9.5 plus 12s. And the GTR offset in the black.
Catch on?
Yeah, it's starting to kind of catch on out here. We've seen, there's a Cresta that has one there now.
That's actually a buddy of mine. He has the exact same wheels as me.
And that car is really clean.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to feature it on the channel once I get his okay for it. So, but it's got the GTR end caps. If you guys have priced these, I want you guys to know this is just a carbon fiber sticker. This is not a full end cap replacement. And from Nismo, they are stupid expensive. Like, hundreds of dollars.
Hundreds of dollars for a sticker.
Literally just a sticker.
The only really exterior issues I have, I got a little bit of rust here, but the plan is once I get it shipped off island, I'm gonna get the whole car painted. So
yeah, they say a lot of people say to wait for the paint jobs back in the States, along with rust work as well, actually. Which is, I would have thought the Okinawans would have been like on top of it, but
it's a constant battle against rust.
It
out
is.
here.
It is. I'm gonna have to get my car taken care of.
That's actually why I had the engine out. Props to Damaro. Damaro took the car, towed it for me, did the whole engine bay. I did the engine bay black.
Oh, that's why I was looking at it. I was like, I couldn't remember if it was like that before, but it looks really good.
Yeah, so they did an amazing job. I actually had a little bit of rust up here, pretty common with GTRs. They took the fenders off for me, took the windshield out, repaired everything.
Wow.
So the whole front end is ready to go.
That is crazy. These factory brakes good enough to stop the car with all this power?
No, that is going to be my next
big
upgrade.
Okay. R35?
Brakes. I'm actually going to go with just a big brake kit. I want to go Rolo Face. I don't know if you've heard of that. But they make a amazing like lime green brake caliper.
Oh really? That'd be perfect. So. But this car, I mean, it's really tastefully done. Seems like a lot of GTRs kind of go the same route, you know, white face Nismo gauges.
Yeah, white face Nismo gauges. I wrapped everything in 3M carbon fiber, and then the gauges I actually wrapped in stainless steel.
Okay.
So that's all just a wrap.
I got you. Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. I like that.
I got a Momo Prototipo wheel.
The neochrome shift knob.
Yeah, the neochrome. I have material. I have this black. It almost looks like snakeskin fabric. It's vinyl, and I'm gonna make a shifter boot.
Nice.
Whenever I get some time.
So obviously you heard the car pulling in. It has the Tomei TI Expreme, custom downpipe, test pipe. Obviously nothing because the TI is just, or the Tomei is literally just a cannonball muffler.
And then props to Nori. Nori did all the custom work. So he built my downpipe, my actual, I don't know if you can get the camera in there, the wastegate has a little screamer pipe that he built that runs right down to the bottom of the car.
Oh,
so you can definitely hear the wastegate screaming.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's down there. That's like how he came over. He's like, I did a pull. I got to email my tuner, so he pulls out his laptop and sends out an email to his tuner. We had to delay this because, was it a crack in the radiator or what was it?
No, I just had a radiator upgrade.
Okay.
Actually, Nori was asking me. He wanted my old transmission, and I was like, "You order me a Greddy Radiator and put it in." Yeah.
Well, that works. So this is a nice
just
little.
Installed.
Yeah, it looks brand new. It literally just came from the shop. They just did a 1-for-1 trade for an old transmission that probably was beat to shit, and a new Greddy Radiator.
Yeah, I'm running Greddy Radiator and the Greddy 4-inch intercooler.
Yeah, I imagine for all the power. So you can see this is a 4-inch intercooler. This is a huge core. We haven't really talked about it yet. The power on this. You were building for essentially 1,000 to be able to handle 1,000, correct?
With E85.
With the 85. We're thinking, what, Bud Dyno? Probably close to 750, 800?
In the 7s, yeah.
So, and we don't want to be too, you know, presumptuous, but yeah, we're thinking
got some power.
Between 700, 800, somewhere in there. It's he got on it in front of me going to customs, going to Cars and Coffee, what, a couple weeks ago, and it was awesome. So it sounded amazing. It like lost traction immediately. It was so cool. We're gonna go for a quick spin. Nothing too crazy. He's still working on the tune, so we want to keep it relatively mild. So I asked Jay, I was like, hey man, am I gonna get to drive this beast? And he said, he kind of chuckled. He's like, if you think you can handle it. Well, I'm not sure I can handle the full power, so we're gonna stick to about 75% power today. And I don't break anything. I don't want to bang people's gears and break their stuff, you know. But we're gonna go for a ride, get some pulls. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm so excited. It's probably gonna be the most powerful car I've ever driven. You guys watched a couple weeks ago, I drove that 600 horsepower GTR, the 600 horsepower Soarer a while back. I'll link those videos. If you guys haven't seen those videos, they're really awesome. You gotta check it out. And also, I did a Mario Kart through the streets of Okinawa a couple weeks ago. The video didn't do well. You guys have got to check it out, man. It's an awesome video. I got dressed up like a full costume on. I was a duck driving go-karts through the streets of Japan. It was a blast. I'll put the video in the top corner right here. You guys got to watch it. It was so much fun. It only has like 450 views, and it was awesome. So check it out. If you closed your eyes and listened to this, it would sound like a freaking nasty RX-7. That's pretty cool. I'm not even exaggerating. I can't even hear my car inside of it over his. I want to take a second to thank you guys. I really appreciate your continued support. I hope you guys are still enjoying the channel. I still enjoy making stuff for you, and it's not going to stop anytime soon. So just want to say thank you guys. You guys rock. Just thanks for watching. All right, Jay's going to give us a little bit of a taste. Holy God, dog. Dude, that thing sounded mean. Oh my God. Dude, that sounded freaking awesome. I'm all smiles, man. God, it makes me want more for that. That just makes me jealous. Oh, see if it'll give us another one. Dude, it sounded freaking awesome.
A little loud?
Yeah. Jesus. Nowhere loves putting the ECUs down there. Step on the wire and stuff.
How's it feel?
Sounds freaking nasty. I think this, I mean, it feels strong. I tell you what, the boost comes on stronger than I thought it would have.
A lot of people that I've talked to have said that like they're surprised at how fast it boosts.
Yeah, and it's full smooth. Like it's not like, so I rode in that Sword and it was like, and it would hit immediately. This one's like smooth into it.
This thing creaks like.
Check out this Chaser JZX 100 stagger wheel setup. Looking pretty good. I was at the Jimny. Go to the car spot when we can.
And it's still tuned down. I'm still breaking it in, trying to get the tune right. So we're only sitting at about 7,000 RPM rev limiter. And
Chris, what are you calling me for here? Yo, what's up? I'm in a big horsepower car. You're on, and you are on the video.
Oh, beautiful.
I was worried about such a large turbo, the lag, but right as soon as I hit about 3,500, it just starts building and it doesn't stop.
Yeah, and you can tell it's pretty, like it's not as laggy as I thought it was gonna be. Jesus. This is so much fun, guys. Oh, the hard work of making a video for you guys. I get to ride around a big built GTR. I just like the fact that he's sitting in the back.
A little acceleration.
Yeah. Best thing about driving people's cars is I get to wear this stupid freaking harness on my head.
Oh, nice.
What do you think, guys? What's up with this clutch? Is it tough?
No, it's really not bad at all. It's a X clutch from Australia. Twin plate ceramic.
Oh, I didn't install the Sword or the other GTR.
So it's really,
it's right there.
it's right in the middle, yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's so, what was that?
Just a plastic bottle.
It's just shit out of me. This thing is freaking nuts, man.
It's like a big kid.
Oh. Barely touching the throttle too. Yes!
Yeah, like a big kid.
And that's, dude, I'm literally, like you said, I'm barely giving
touching
it gas.
Yeah.
And I can feel it when it starts to want to limit itself.
Yeah, it's...
Did he go into limp mode, or will I know?
Yeah, you'll know. It's not.
Okay. Feels like an OEM clutch. Oh my God! This is so much fun, dude. Oh, I need all the horsepower. I need all of it. Jesus. All right, one last one. I want to get one for these guys. Oh, shit. They wanted to hear it. Look at me. All right, one last one. I want to get one for these guys. Oh, shit. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We got a big shout out to Jay, freaking awesome dude, letting us beat on the on this badass machine he built. So I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, hopefully we didn't break anything. We'll see.
Well, yeah, time will tell. It should be good.
Big shout out to Real Street for all the performance parts. Tuner's Edge in Australia. Nori at N Factory. If you haven't heard, he is a guru with the RBs.
He's where everybody goes, it seems.
Yep. JG Performance is in the middle of tuning it right now, so hopefully we get a little bit more boost.
And the cool thing is they're sending him like live updates.
Yeah.
Like the email?
Oh, yeah.
He literally just put a new tune on the car because we leaned out there a little bit on some of the pulls. So they did a real quick update,
Yep.
gave us some more fuel.
Yeah,
And,
hot spot on my phone and email. Yeah.
That's freaking nuts.
Yeah.
Well, that's your wrap for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.